Hello, and welcome to Fluent Flow, the English podcast. This is your slow English listening and speaking practice. Today, you and I will have a friendly, private lesson. We will talk, we will listen, we will practice together. This lesson is for beginners, levels A1 and A2. You will hear short, clear sentences and some longer ones to help you understand real English. After I speak, you can repeat after me. This is called shadowing. When I speak, you speak. When I stop, you repeat. You will learn greetings, daily conversations, questions, simple stories, and many dialogues. We will practice step by step. You will hear examples of small talk, ordering food, asking for directions, meeting friends, working in an office, shopping, and daily life conversations. Step by step, we will build your confidence in speaking English. Are you ready? Let's begin. Hello, how are you today? I am fine, thank you. And you? I am doing well. It is a sunny day. I hope you enjoy the sun. It is nice to see you. It has been a long time since we last met. Yes, it has been too long. How is your family? They are doing well. Thank you for asking. I hope your family is well too. Do you have any plans for today? Yes, I am going to the market. What about you? I will visit my friend. Oh, that sounds nice. What will you buy? I will buy some fresh vegetables and maybe some bread. I might also buy some fruit. That is great. I hope you have a good day. Thank you. You too. Good morning. Can I help you? Yes, please. I would like a cup of coffee. Do you have tea as well? Would you like milk or sugar? Yes, a little milk, please. No sugar. Here you are. Thank you. How much is it? It is $2. Here is $3. Keep the change. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Enjoy your coffee. I hope you like it. Imagine you are at a cafe every morning. You greet the barista with a smile. You order your favorite drink. You pay politely. These small steps will help you feel comfortable speaking English every day. Excuse me, can you help me, please? Of course. Where do you want to go? I am looking for the train station. The train station is not far. Go straight ahead, then turn left at the traffic light. You will see the station on your right. It is easy to find. Thank you so much. You are welcome. Have a nice trip. Safe travels. Imagine walking in a new city. You ask strangers for directions. You listen carefully and follow instructions. Speaking English helps you travel safely and confidently. Hello, how much are the apples? They are $2 a kilo. Okay, I will take 2 kilos, please. Would you like anything else? Yes, I need some tomatoes. Do you have fresh tomatoes today? The tomatoes are fresh today. Great! Please give me 1 kilo. Here you go. That is $6 in total. Here is the money. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you again. I hope you have a good week. Shopping in English is easy when you practice every day. You can buy fruits, vegetables, bread, or milk. You can also ask about prices, freshness, and quantity. Repeat these sentences until they feel natural. Hi, Sarah. It is good to see you. Hi, Mark. It is good to see you too. How have you been? I have been busy with work. And you? I have been busy with my studies. What are you studying? I am studying English. That is great. How is it going? It is going well. I am learning new words every day. I also practice speaking with friends. That is wonderful. Keep going. You are improving. I am proud of you. Meeting friends is an important part of daily conversation. You greet them politely, ask about their life, you share about yourself, and you listen carefully. Good morning, team. Good morning, boss. Do we have a meeting today? Yes, at 10 o'clock. What will we talk about? We will discuss the new project. Okay, I will prepare my notes. Thank you. See you in the meeting. Remember to bring your reports. I want everyone ready. We will also talk about the schedule. After the meeting, we will review our progress. It is important to stay organized and on time. At work, simple phrases can make your day easier. You can greet colleagues, ask about meetings, and give updates. Practice these sentences aloud for confidence. Now, I will ask you questions. You will answer them. What is your name? Where are you from? How old are you? What do you do? What do you like to eat? Where do you live? Do you like coffee or tea? What time do you wake up? Who is your best friend? What is your favorite color? Answer each question in a full sentence. Repeat slowly. Speak clearly. This will help your pronunciation. Good morning. Did you sleep well? Yes, I slept very well. And you? I slept okay, but I woke up early. What will you do today? I will clean the house, and then I will go shopping. That sounds like a busy day. Yes, but I enjoy it. Do you want to have lunch together? Yes, that would be nice. What time? Let us meet at 1 o'clock. Perfect. See you then. I will bring a small gift. That will be fun. Imagine planning your day in English. You talk about chores, shopping, lunch, and free time. This helps you speak confidently about daily routines. Now, I will speak a little faster. Listen carefully, then repeat. Yesterday, I went to the park with my friend. We walked for 1 hour and talked about our plans. After that, we bought some ice cream. It was a very nice day. Today, I need to go to the supermarket. I will buy eggs, milk, and bread. Later, I will cook dinner for my family. I hope they will enjoy it. I also want to read a book before bedtime. My day is busy but enjoyable. Well done! You have completed today's shadowing practice. You listened, you repeated, you practiced real daily conversations. The more you practice, the more confident you will feel. Come back tomorrow for another lesson. This is Fluent Flow, the English podcast. Thank you for joining me. Goodbye and keep practicing. Remember, speaking a little every day will help you improve quickly. Keep learning, keep listening, keep speaking. You are doing great. See you soon.